Where you born at anyway?
Illinois.
Illinois? Where's that at?
Across the river.
Oh, all right then. You know how you can tell you're from Illinois?
How?
When I go, hey, are you from Illinois?
Yeah, we don't like that one.
We don't pronounce the S.
That's correct.
You know you're from Illinois when,
You know how to detassel corn.
right? You know you're from Illinois when,
You know that Chicago is not the capital.
right? That's a good one. You know you're,
How about you and me do it? You know you're from Illinois, right?
uh-huh.
When there's 4 things that causes traffic jams.
Right. Number 1, tractors and combines.
Right?
Number 2, trains. Right?
Number 3.
Anyone over the age of 80.
Right? What's the last one?
Anybody with Indiana license plates.
Right. Well, Missourians can say the same thing about Illinoisans.
I guess so.
You know you're from Illinois when somebody asks you,
How far is it to town?
and you say,
About 45 minutes.
right?
35 if you take the interstate.
Okay.
25 if it's a Friday, Saturday night and the doors are closed and the liquor store's ready to shut down. Right?
Yeah, okay.
All right, we establish how far it is to town. Right?
Uh-huh.
How far is it to the city?
Hour and a half each way. East or west.
That'd be what? St. Louis
Right?
and Indiana.
Right.
Hoosiers.
Hey, be nice.
You know you're from Illinois. You say it this time. I got one. Hang on.
You know you're from Illinois.
When you know the difference between a redneck, good boy, country boy, hillbilly. I forgot the rest. I like the way you talk, man. You're funny. Not funny clear, funny ha-ha. Right? Mm-hmm.
Tater, you gotta be nice.
I am nice, man. What are you talking about? Okay. All right, then. Are we done? Go back to your having your coffee?
I guess.
Okay. I got one.
What?
You say it.
You know you're from Illinois.
When you know the difference between beer nuts and deer nuts.
Yeah? What's the difference?
One's $1.69 and one's under a $1.